Hi, it's Tara, and I'm here today with Victoria, the co-founder of Bella Figura, the skincare line. One of our favorite parts about your line, Victoria, is the name and the logo. Could you tell us a little bit about them?
Well, the name is Italian, and it is a philosophy that Italians have to live an authentic life. And our logo is so beautiful. It's the continents and put together so they look like a flower.
I love that. And the continents, I feel like every single time I talk to you, you're on a different continent looking for the best of the best in new clean beauty ingredients.
Ingredients and ingredient integrity is what I believe makes a formula successful and work for transformation, which our customers love, and that's what they love about the brand.
My favorite one to share with customers in the store is Cockadoo Plum. Am I saying that correctly?
Kakadu.
Kakadoo Plum. That always gets people laughing. And so on the topic of ingredients, what was the first product that you were inspired to formulate for the brand?
So that is Découvert Under Eye Repair Serum, which is our best-selling product. And we actually created that to help Karen with her under eye circles, which she claimed she had, but I didn't think she did. And loved it, and it worked really well, and it just became our bestseller.
It's one of our bestsellers too. All of our customers love the Découvert serum. What's your philosophy behind, launching a new product and bringing it to the world?
We want to always have products that serve a purpose and kind of be innovative with that. I don't want to create products that already exist. We want to do things really well and maybe are multi-purpose sometimes, like the Clean Slate.
And when you're not traveling the world to find these new ingredients, what are you doing on the weekends for fun at home in Chicago?
A whole bunch of things. I love to hang out with my friends, but my favorite thing to do is to go to the Art Institute. I go every weekend.
Oh, that's so cool. And that makes a lot of sense given how beautiful your packaging and everything about your line is. So thank you so much for being with us here today.
Thank you.